Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I would like to tell you how you can clear space on your iPhone with a single app. Namely, in this video I want to show and tell you how to clear the cache in Telegram. How do we clear it? To do this, we go into Telegram. Now press the button, Settings, then look for Data and Storage. Next, click Storage Usage. Here we see the statistics of the filled storage on our iPhone. Clearing it will not delete chats and other things important to us, but it will delete what we have viewed or listened to in Telegram, and it has been saved for us offline. If we don't need it, we click Clear Entire Cache. We can uncheck the items we do not want to delete. For example, we can leave the music or photos that we need offline. Then we can download all the deleted items again. We press the Clear button. I have accumulated gigabytes of files for a week. We see the cache being deleted. In a couple of minutes, we have freed up a lot of space and there is less junk on our phone. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.